Welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I am part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to set up a booking notification to additional users in your OnceHub account. This is useful if you want other team members to receive email notifications for your bookings. Before you can send notifications, you will need to add the person as a user in your OnceHub account. So let's start with it. First, you will need to click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on users. On this page, you will add the user in your OnceHub account by clicking on add users. Enter the email address of the user, their name, and their role. Once done, click on next. After this is done, the invited user will receive an email using which they can sign up for a OnceHub profile within your OnceHub account, and then they will be listed as a user under this page. If the user will only receive notifications, they do not need a scheduled meeting license or a paid seat assigned to them. The next step is to add the user as an editor on the booking page. For this, I will click on the booking page icons from the left sidebar. Then click on the relevant booking page. From the overview section of the booking page, click the edit icon next to editors. From the drop-down menu under editors, select the relevant user or multiple users and click on save. This allows the user to manage this specific booking page. The next step is to enable notifications for them. You will click on user notifications, then select the checkbox under the relevant user's name for all the booking scenarios. And once done, hit on save. This will allow the user to receive notifications for this specific booking page. And that's it. Now your additional users will receive email notifications for the bookings on relevant booking pages that you own. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.